Hey sports fans, it's 3:07 in the afternoon on the 19th, and we are going to get, or supposed to get, a monster snowstorm and possibly blizzard. Ooh. Hopefully not, but for sure we're going to get some snow. In fact, it started raining, kind of drizzling, sprinkling about 2 hours ago, and now the water droplets are becoming kind of thick and fluffy, if you know what I mean. So here it comes. All right, here we are, 3:30. Not much to see looking at the sky. That's what we got on the windshield. Kind of slushy. (10:40 p.m.) Looks like about 2 to 3 inches on top of the cars, and it's coming down, I don't know, pretty fast, I guess. Next day, folks. Next day. Ran out of battery, or my battery ran out on my camera. I don't know if I'm fogging up or not. Last night the ride home was interesting. I took the interstate home, and it was pretty slippery, and there's a lot of cars off to the side. At one point going uphill, I started to slow down because my wheels were spinning and they were turned kind of sideways. Yet I was still going straight for quite a while. But I made it, and then I got stuck at the end of my driveway. It dips. I just had to get a shovel out of my trunk and dig for like a minute, and I made it, so it's really fine. It's all windy today too. There's my end of my driveway. You can see it kind of, well, maybe you can't see, but it dips down right there in the gutter and then goes up into the driveway. Okay, there's the neighbor's house. There's neighbor kids. It's our place. Whew, my hands are freezing. I gotta get my gloves back on. Okay, here's before. Well, there we go. Finished product. Driveway didn't take as long as I thought. I go all the way down to the very end and I shoot it toward the front. Kind of covers up some other stuff. My wife's car, backed it out. Sitting in the sun, helped thaw it out. Oh, here comes a plow. Does a pretty good job. I wonder if he's going to come down the other way. You see, I cleared out right there, you know. I cleared out by my driveway, so, and all underneath my car. So if somebody parks there, I'll kill them. Well, the friendly snowplow guy came by all right. Yeah, totally covered up my driveway and my parking spot. It just took me about 15 minutes to dig it all out again. Thanks a lot, guy. He's just doing his job, I'm sure. Man, that made me mad. Alright, whatever. I guess there could be worse things. I'm done. I'm going in. So this is our storm for December 19th and 20th. Or is it 20th and 24th? I don't have my watch. Well, today's Thursday. I'll put it right up here. Look at that. I did. Good job editing, guy. Oh, so what'd we get? Looks like about 6 or 7 inches of snow. That's about it. They were calling for 8 to 11. Didn't happen. But I'm glad. And it is nice blue skies with sunshine. Later. Tired.